OnePlus 60 price has been finally revealed. Mi Mix 3 is confirmed with whopping 10 GB of RAM and also the official teaser is out. Nokia 7.1 spotted running Geekbench with Android 9.0 Pie. MediaTek's Helio P70 coming soon with more advanced AI hardware. So hey folks, this is Samir and welcome to the first episode of What's Happening in Tech, in which we will be discussing about the tech stuff that is happening around the globe. Excited? So let's get started. A new leak comes courtesy of Indian leakster Ishan Agarwal, who has collaborated with MySmartPrice to get the information. According to the leak, the OnePlus 60 pricing in India will start at 37,999 rupees for the 6GB RAM and 128GB storage variant, going up to 40,999 rupees for the 8GB and 128GB option, and rupees 44,999 rupees for the 8GB and 256GB option. Thus, the pricing will be higher than that of OnePlus 6, which started at rupees 34,999. What this leak also revealed is that OnePlus could finally do away with 64GB storage option as its base variant, suggesting that users are looking for 128GB of storage as a minimum on new OnePlus devices. Given that OnePlus smartphones do not support storage expansion, users do look at higher storage. However, the 3,000 rupees price difference between the suggested 6GB and 8GB variants might come across as too high for just a slight bump in RAM. The OnePlus 60 will be launched on 30 October with sales in India commencing on November 2. The device is expected to come with Android 9.0 Pie out of the box, a water drop style notch, in-display fingerprint scanner, and Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 SoC under the hood. Interestingly, it will also be the first OnePlus device to ditch the 3.5mm headphone jack. The company has posted a number of teaser, photos, posters and video to reveal the selected specification of the upcoming device. With the launch event about a week away, two new teasers have surfaced on the internet. The latest teasers reveal some sample photos that were taken with the Mi Mix 3 along with a 15-second video which showcased the slide-out camera on the device. According to a report, Mi Mix 3 can be unlocked by sliding the display downwards. Previous reports have indicated that the company is likely to pack an advanced 3D facial technology in the device to make the face unlock feature more secure. This comes right after the company officially confirmed that the device will come with 5G support and 10GB of RAM. MediaTek is now reportedly gunning to launch the sequel to the Helio P60 with the launch of the Helio P70, which is expected to happen before the end of October. The successor to the MediaTek Helio P60 chipset is likely to be manufactured using a 12nm FinFET process, which is similar to that of its predecessor. The Helio P70 will feature an octa-core processor with 4 Cortex-A73 for performance and 4 Cortex-A53 which will take care of the efficiency. For graphics, the Helio P70 will make use of Mali G72 GPU, though we are yet to know more of the GPU core count and the clock speed. The main difference between the Helio P70 and the P60 is that P70 will sport a discrete neural processing unit instead of accelerated processing unit found in Helio P60, which was initially introduced as an AI-focused chipset. Previous rumors have indicated that the Helio P70 will render support for up to 8GB of RAM, eMMC 5.1 and UFS 2.1 storage, 3 ISPs, up to 32MP camera and a Cat12 LTE modem. The AI technology built onto the chip will rely facial recognition as well as 3D sensing and AR/VR capabilities. HMD Global recently unveiled its Nokia 7.1 smartphone at an event in London. Although the smartphone runs Android 8.1 Oreo, it announced at the event that the mobile phone will soon be getting an upgrade for Android 9.0 Pie, and it seems like the company is keeping its promise. Just 2 weeks after Nokia 7.1 got launched, the smartphone has reportedly appeared on Geekbench with Android 9.0 Pie. The report further said that this means the company will roll out the latest Android version update to the smartphone next month as it was initially scheduled. So guys, I hope you guys like this new series. If you wanted to see more videos like this, do let me know that in the comments down below. Also share your suggestions if you have any. And for more future videos like this, do consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any future videos from Extreme Droid. So this is Samir signing off and I'll see you guys in my next one.